Pakistan, a land of vibrant culture and captivating history, holds a treasure trove of hidden gems. Among these is the city of Hyderabad, a place where the past and present intertwine to create an unforgettable experience. Hyderabad, the second largest city in Sindh province, pulsates with life, offering a unique blend of tradition and modernity. As I stepped onto the sun-drenched streets of Hyderabad, I knew I was about to embark on an adventure of a lifetime. Hyderabad, often overshadowed by its more famous counterparts, possesses a charm that is uniquely its own. It's a city that doesn't reveal all its secrets at once, inviting you to explore its hidden alleys, savor its delectable cuisine, and immerse yourself in its vibrant culture. The warmth of the people is palpable, their smiles as bright as the intricate embroidery that adorns their traditional attire. Hyderabad's history is as rich and flavorful as its famous biryani. Founded in 1768 by the Kalhora dynasty, the city bears witness to centuries of history, its streets echoing with tales of rulers and empires. My journey through time began at the majestic Pacco, Qillo, a crumbling yet imposing fort that once stood as the heart of the city's defenses. Standing atop the ramparts, I could almost hear the echoes of the past, the clash of swords, and the murmur of courtly intrigues. The fort, with its strategic location on a hilltop, offered breathtaking views of the city below, a sprawling tapestry of life and color. From the grandeur of Pacco Qillo, I ventured into the heart of the old city, where narrow, winding streets led me to architectural marvels like the tombs of the Talpur Mirs. No trip to Hyderabad is complete without indulging in its legendary cuisine. The city is a paradise for food lovers, with aromas of spices and sizzling meats wafting from every corner. My culinary adventure began in the labyrinthine alleys of Shahi Bazaar, the oldest and largest market in Hyderabad. The market pulsated with life, a kaleidoscope of colors, sounds, and smells. Vendors hawked their wares, their voices a melodic chant against the backdrop of bustling crowds. I wandered through the market, my senses overwhelmed by the sheer variety of goods on display, colorful fabrics, intricate handicrafts, and of course, the intoxicating aroma of food. Section 4, The Heart of Hyderabad, Stories from the Locals. Beyond the historical landmarks and culinary delights, it was the people of Hyderabad who truly captured my heart. The locals, known for their hospitality and warmth, welcomed me with open arms, eager to share their stories and traditions. In the heart of the bustling Shahi Bazaar, I met a kind-hearted shopkeeper named Ali. His shop, a treasure trove of antiques and curios, had been in his family for generations. As we sipped on steaming cups of chai, he shared tales of his ancestors, of the city's glorious past, and the enduring spirit of its people. Section 5, Unveiling the Hidden Gems of Hyderabad. While Hyderabad is renowned for its historical sites and vibrant markets, it also harbors hidden gems waiting to be discovered. One such treasure is the Rani Bagh, a sprawling green oasis in the heart of the city. Stepping into the Rani Bagh felt like entering a different world, a world of tranquility and natural beauty. The air was fresh, filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the sound of birdsong. Families picnicked on the lush green lawns, children's laughter echoing through the air. Section 6, Hyderabad, An Unforgettable Adventure Awaits. As I bid farewell to Hyderabad, I carried with me a heart full of memories and a newfound appreciation for this hidden gem of Pakistan. It's a city that seamlessly blends its rich history with modern aspirations, a place where every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. Hyderabad is not just a destination, it's an experience, a sensory journey that will stay with you long after you've left its sun-kissed streets. So, if you're looking for an adventure off the beaten path, a chance to immerse yourself in a vibrant culture and create memories that will last a lifetime,